Introducing USBeautiful from British General. Free your sockets and charge all your devices. Tablet, mobile phone, digital camera, any USB chargeable device. Smart USB connectivity. Standby mode when device is fully charged. Auto detects USB device and adjusts charging pattern to suit. Protects the device in the event of an overload. Available with 2.1, 3.1 or 4.2 amp charge outputs shared across all ports. Perfect for today's demanding devices. 2 USB ports, perfect for bedside charging units. 3 ports for multiple phone charging points, or 4 ports, ideal for areas where multiple devices need charging, such as a kitchen. White molded or decorative metal, with profiles and finishes to complement any decor. Available with single or double socket outlets. Easy to install, color-coded terminals for quick identification, and they all fit a standard 25mm back box. Free your sockets and charge all your devices. For more information and where to buy, visit usbbeautiful.co.uk.